In this video, I'll show you how to turn on 2FA on Fortnite. So open up your browser, make sure you're currently logged in. Click on this, click on this, click on account. So wait for it to load up. So once that's opened up, what you need to do now, you're going to be able to see these settings at the top. So click on it. So click on password and security. So from this option, you can be able to come on here and add your own 2FA. So just click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to be verified that it's you that wants to do this, right? So just click on continue. From there, you can be able to set up other required details you'll be needing to be able to do this. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video. So just wait for it to load up. Once it's done, you're going to be able to confirm that it's you that wants to do this. So I'm going to just click on continue. So yeah, let me know below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.